name is Saul Vallejos, and I am the principal investigator of the POMATO project, together, of course, with Ana Arnaiz, Cynthia Virumbrales, and Miriam Trigo, who also are principal investigators of the project.
Hi, my name is Cynthia Virumbrales. I'm a postdoc research and a project manager. And actually, I work in the University of Burgos with my colleague Saul and Miriam. And in POMATO project, we are the coordinators of the project, and I'm involved in these activities of project management and coordination.
My name is Miriam Trigo Lopez. I work at the University of Burgos. I'm a researcher, and in the POMATO project, I work in the coordination team. Together with Cynthia, Saul, Ana.
Our role as coordinators, I think that we have to ensure that all the project is well coordinated, but not only from the point of view of the scientific or the technical part, but also from the economic, for example, or financial point of view. So this is our principal role as coordinators, but we also participate as a research group in different work packages. For example, in the work package dedicated to the development of new smart polymers oriented to the early detection of Ralstonia and Clavibacter.
POMATO is designed as a fully integrated system where each work package fits into the other ones. We start with bacterial characterization in work package 2, and this is the basis, the biological basis to develop work package 3 related to the design of early detection tools, and also to the work package 4 related to the design of biocontrol solutions. And then all of them are integrated and validated in work package 5, which is related to the development of integrated pest management solutions and strategies. And this integration is essential because the real innovation and the important innovation of POMATO is not just the individual strategies and individual technologies. It's the combination with all of them and how they work together and enable the design of solutions to design better decision-making tools, and also to ensure the environmental compliance with the European goals. In Work Package 5, UBU leads the development of the Safe and Sustainable by Design framework, which focuses on assessing the safety and environmental impact of all the materials and solutions developed in the project. Our role is to ensure that the innovations coming from POMATO are not only effective, but also safe for the environment, for farmers, and for consumers. And at the same time, that they are realistic, scalable, and aligned with the European sustainable goals.
Regarding one of our research tasks in the University of Burgos, I think that the smart polymers is the most important one in our research group. And well, it's dedicated to the development of like a small pieces of plastic that can be or can change its color in the presence of the different pathogens, Clavibacter or Ralstonia. This change can be in the color, can be in the fluorescence, and can be registered by a simple digital camera or a smartphone. And this color change can be traduced in a number. So the more color change, the more presence of the pathogen. This is the idea, okay? And well, we are a very multidisciplinary research group. We have a lot of chemists, but also biotechnologists And this is the key structure for having success in this kind of task. Because the biotechnologist says to the chemist, okay, I need polymer that can interact with this, I don't know, enzyme, okay? So the idea is that that we can design polymers, chemical compounds that specifically interact with these targets. Okay, this is the idea, and this is known in this scientific field as the molecular recognition. So we can do polymers for molecular recognition.
Real-world validation means testing all the developed solutions in the POMATO project, the biocontrol solutions, the early detection tools, and the integrated management strategies, all of them in real farming conditions and agricultural conditions in different regions, including Europe and Latin America. This is a crucial step because laboratory results are not enough. We need to understand how these solutions perform under different environmental conditions, regulatory constraints, and farming practices. It is at this stage where we demonstrate that POMATO is not scientifically sound, but it's also practical and adequate for farmers.